Assalamualaikum, Salam Malaysia Madani, and Salam UiTM di hatiku. My name is Muhammad Ikmal Fazlan Rosli, and this research is also joined by my co-researcher that are Associate Professor Technologist Dr. K. Dora Abdul Ghani and Dr. Ilyanis Adnan. We are from School of Civil Engineering, whereas Dr. Ilyanis is from Academy of Language Studies. All of us are from UiTM Changan, Filipino. Inshallah, today I'll be sharing the findings of our studies that entitle Gauging the Performance of Hotel Management Students, PHM 240, and Culinary Arts Students, PHM 245, enrolled in an engineering course CES 425. These are the flows of my presentations. I'll be starting from introduction, followed by student backgrounds, then methodology, results and discussion, and lastly, conclusion. A little bit background of UiTM Chongan Pulau Pinang. It has been established since 1996, and we have about 5,000 students and almost to 1,000 staff in this institution. It is a home for 5 major faculties that are School of Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Chemical Engineering, and also Fakulti Pengurusan Hotel dan Pelancongan. Why this research is being conducted? Is because first, to determine the level of understanding of 2 types of students. Number 2, to analyze the data obtained for improving future cross-faculty subjects. And the significance is about to improve the teaching methods of the lecturers that are teaching these subjects to hotel students. This study is also in line with our Prime Minister vision of Malaysia Madani. According to the statement, there are 6 cores encompassed in the Malaysia Madani. This study perfectly in line with 2 core values, namely sustainability and innovation. For a bigger goals, this research is in line again with Sustainable Development Goals, especially number 4, that is quality education, and SDG number 9, that are industry, innovation, and infrastructure, because this subject deals with innovation, infrastructure, and also sustainability. As we can see here, these are the student background of Faculty of Hotel and Tourism from PHM 240 and PHM 245. Both of the students have equally the same level. However, for each courses, they have a different traits. For culinary arts students, they are extensively taught on cooking and preparing food. Thus, they have to be good at math, as they have to follow the ingredients to ensure that the food is delicious. However, compared to their other families of hotel management, the students learn more about how to manage a hotel. Thus, they were exposed to fewer math problems. And for the semester taken, this subject, PHM 245 students took this subject in their semester 4, whereas for hotel management students took this engineering course in their semester 5. For this subject, the students have to take common tests that will make up 30% of their marks, assignment 10%, and final exam 60%. This subject is about theory. Only 20% is about calculation. This subject also is bound by Engineering Accreditation Council. Thus, it has 2 program outcomes that are PO1, that is Fundamental Engineering, and PO3, that are Environmental and Sustainable Issues. These were the demographic studies of sampling, whereas a total of 73 number of students, whereas 20 of students from hotel management and 53 students from culinary arts PHM 245. Now, let's take a look at the results and discussion. For the overall achievement of POs, there are slightly different. Now, let's take a look at PO3. Why PO3? Because PO3 deals with calculation. As you can see here, there are 3% of difference, whereas PHM 245 scored of 69% and PHM 240 scored a 66% of PO3. So it shows that PHM 245 students is much better than for calculation. And if we goes for grades, for students obtaining A, PHM 245 students, 60% of them scored an A compared to their other families, PHM 240, that only 45% obtained an A. So the difference is about 15%. And Alhamdulillah, there are no failure for the students of hotel management taking this engineering subject. From the results obtained, it can be seen clearly that culinary arts students PHM 245 perform better than hotel management students PHM 240 in this engineering subject. With these findings, the lecturer who will be assigned to teach this engineering subject to a hotel management students can prepare a more detailed notes exercise to help the students to excel in this subject. So, for the conclusion, the exclusiveness of engineering subjects only for engineering students is no more. It has been clearly shown that hotel students also can excel in an engineering subject. For an improvement, the method of teaching can be made better. Engagement with the students, especially from non-engineering, have to be creative, online or face-to-face. And also the exercise given to the students is also can be suited to their needs and level. This is my last slide. So thank you. So if you have any questions or you want to make a research collaboration, please send me an email at ikmal601@uitm.edu.my. Thank you. Until we meet again. Assalamualaikum. Salam Malaysia Madani and salam UITM di hatiku.